prices on the shore rose 5.3% over last April and are up 4.5% year to date. It's Friday, May 12th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market. Cecil County prices rose 6.7% year to date. Kent County rose 12.8%. Queen Anne's County prices are up 10.5%. Talbot counties are up 1.9%. Worcester County is up 5.7%. Caroline County fell 2.5%. Wicomico fell 1.6%. Somerset dropped 16.9%. And Dorchester County fell 7.8% year to date. April is usually the busiest real estate month, but with the lower inventory in most areas, interest rate unpredictability, and some uncertainty of many waiting for prices to drop or interest rates to drop, it's been a slow start for the spring market, and we are headed into the typically slower summer market soon, so stay tuned. There are 1,065 properties for sale, rising again this week. 109 homes are coming to the market, making a very teeny rise from last week's report. 179 homes went under contract in only 9 median days. 110 properties sold within 14 days of hitting the market and at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Easton for $2,995,000. Available rentals fell again this week to 60 for lease at $2,125 per month. These are going under application in about 20 days. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, May 12th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Happy Mother's Day weekend to all the moms out there and those who are stand-in moms. Enjoy the weekend, and I'll see you next week.